everybody. I'm Denise, and I am here to talk about amazing product that I have discovered, DBX knives. I'm telling you, they are a lifesaver. I have arthritis. I've had it for a long time. So when I try to cook and cut, my hands get really stiff from the standard knives that are straight, that I have to hold really tight, and they hurt. Until I discovered DBX knives. The ridges in the knives are customized for my hands. Yes, even my hands have something. I finally feel that I can now navigate in the kitchen and I can cut and I can enjoy a great meal and not feel stiff and not feel bad about it. Do you want to see? Let me show you how easy it is. Not only are they amazing to hold in the handle, but they cut. Look at that. They slice so well. I didn't have to put a lot of pressure down. I just slice. Yes, this is a potato, and maybe it's a little softer, but let's try with the onion. Same thing. I'm holding it and it grips perfectly around my knuckles, and I'm able to slice even an onion. It's easy, it is amazing, and even the best part, they customize a color just for me to match my favorite color. I love DBX knives. It is a lifesaver for me, and my family loves them. It's my favorite knife now and forever. You gotta get one for yourself. DBX knives, don't forget. Thank you.